Hello. Today we're going to be looking at the Ehall Pass system. Now that students each have a district Chromebook and are not permitted to use their cell phones in the classroom, it's going to be really important that students understand how to use the Ehall Pass system from their Chromebook. To get to the Ehall Pass system, you merely need to go to Clever and then log in to the website. You can get to Clever from the school district website, going to Students and then Clever, but it's also saved as a favorite on all the district devices. Once inside Clever, scroll down to the Pass application. When you click this, it will open up the website. I strongly encourage students to favorite that as a bookmark, and that way it's easier to get to in the future. A couple things on Ehall Pass that will make your life easier is looking at your own schedule and the places you commonly go and adding them to the favorites section. To add a teacher or a classroom that you are commonly leaving from, you just click the plus sign, type in the teacher's name, and you can do this for each teacher on your schedule. Click the button and hit submit. You can add as many as you have on your schedule or any other common places that you're usually leaving from. You can also do that for your locations you are traveling to. Some are preset for the students, but you can add additional ones like common bathrooms that you go to on a regular basis throughout the day. Again, just click the plus sign, type in the word bathroom, and a list of the bathrooms will come up. So you just pick the correct bathroom for you and add it to your favorites list, and it'll put that at the front. When you want to make a pass, you either type in the teacher's name from where you are leaving from, or if you've had them added to your favorites, click their icon. Again, for the destination, you either type in the destination you are going to or add it from your favorites. If there's any special reason that you need to go and do something like go to another teacher's classroom or what have you, you can type that in there. And go ahead and hit submit. At this point, you're waiting for the teacher to approve your pass. When the teacher approves your pass, it will turn green and you're good to go. Some teachers have auto passes set up and you'll just work that through inside that classroom. Don't forget, when you return from the bathroom, if you cannot end your pass, remind the teacher to end your pass so that you're not staying on the system for 20 plus minutes. That was an example of a bathroom pass. But what if you want to go to the library? You do it the same way. Let's say you're in my classroom and you want to go to the library because you need to get a Chromebook loan. Just leave a message in there, go ahead and hit submit. And the same thing will happen. You're just waiting for the pass to be approved. Once the pass is approved, then you'll be able to head to the library. Once inside the library, the librarian will check you in, and when it's time to go, they'll reset your pass to return to your classroom. And again, don't forget to remind your teacher to end your pass. This is what it'll look like when it says you've gotten to the library, and then what it says when you're ending. Another feature in Ehall Pass are the appointments. This is when a teacher has scheduled for you to either come and go to another location at a later date or time. You can find all of your appointments listed here in Appointments. You'll see if you have an appointment today or even in the future, what time it is from where and to where you are supposed to go, and why you are supposed to go there. You can even reply to the teachers to let them know, like, I won't be able to make that, or I'll be there, and you can leave that comment. And you can send that to them as well. If you miss an appointment, it will stay in the system so that you can see that you missed that, so that you can touch base with that teacher. Make sure that you're checking your emails, because sometimes you will get a notification of an appointment. This is the Ehall Pass system, and again, pretty easy, and make sure that you keep it open on your Chromebook for easy use.